Okay, got a 2008 Beetle Convertible, guys. We're out at the auction today. Got 89,000 miles. Not bad for an 08. Now this soft top, oh boy, looking a little rough. Wholesale, looking a little mildewy, but hey, that'll all clean up. It's got a straight little body on it. It's got a broken driver's power window. This is a trade-in at the Nissan store. Oh, that door has seen better days, but all that parts available on eBay and what have you. Let's crank her up. Wow. She runs really well. Take her out for a little ride. Got my defrost going. Get the rear defrost going. We got a heated seat, sure, but all these things have heated seats. Heck no, not this one. Now the interesting part is going to see if the top works. That will be the question. Will the top work? We are fogged up, folks. On sport mode? No. Okay. Well, so far, so good. Just got good feeling brakes. Nice quiet shocks and suspension over the bumps. Oh yeah, I love these little 2.5 cylinders. Man, the car enthusiasts, or the magazines rather, they hate it on these things, but man, they're actually pretty darn good. Hard to beat. Okay, let's take her down the test track and see what we got. Whoa, little wheel spin. Yeah, see, these things are very peppy. Very peppy. They don't have any problems at all with the power, dude. Very, very peppy. Of course, we got an airbag light on. But hey, that's no big deal. This thing drives good. Oh yeah, got plenty of juice. Transmission shifts well. 6-speed automatic. By 06, the VW Beetle, unless, I mean, if you didn't want a turbo or if you didn't want a diesel, they got rid of that 2-point slow and went with the standard 2.5. That was a really good engine for this car at that point. Let's see, let's pop the hood. Nearly new tires down there. Let's see what we got under here. Yep. Got nice pink red coolant. Not too bad, y'all. Tires all the way around. Heck yeah, man. If it's cheap, we may bid. If she's cheap. Like, comment, subscribe. 2008 VW Beetle Convertible. Pretty cool little car, not bad. Be a great time of year to buy and sell one of these, man. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.